What if I told you that staying strong, youthful, and full of energy doesn't depend on your age, but on the habits you build today? No extreme workouts, no expensive gym memberships, just smart, proven movements that keep your body young from the inside out. In this video, I'll show you the 7 best anti-aging exercises that help you build strength, protect your joints, boost your energy, and move with confidence at any age. Squats are one of the most powerful movements your body can perform. They activate multiple major muscle groups at the same time, including your glutes, quads, inner thighs, core, and back. But squats don't just build muscle. They strengthen your knees, hips, and ankles, improve joint resilience, and support long-term mobility. Squats also stimulate bone density, reducing the risk of osteoporosis as you age. And here's a hidden benefit many people overlook. Squats increase circulation and boost your resting metabolism, helping your body burn calories more efficiently. That means better weight control, lower disease risk, and a more youthful body overall. Push-ups are a classic exercise for a reason. They strengthen your chest, shoulders, arms, and core all at once, building upper body power and stability. As we age, muscle loss becomes a real concern. Push-ups help fight that decline by improving muscle strength, joint health, and bone density. They also improve posture and balance, helping you move with confidence and control in your everyday life. Strong arms and shoulders don't just look good, they protect your body and keep you independent. Lunges are incredible for sculpting strong, balanced legs. They target your glutes, thighs, calves, and core, while also supporting your lower back. One of the biggest benefits of lunges is improved balance and coordination. By training one leg at a time, you challenge your stability and protect yourself against falls and injuries. Lunges also stretch tight hip flexors and relieve lower back tension, especially helpful if you spend long hours sitting. Better balance, better mobility, better posture. Jumping jacks are a simple but powerful cardio exercise. They raise your heart rate, improve oxygen flow, and strengthen your heart and lungs. This full-body movement also helps maintain muscle mass, improve flexibility, and boost coordination. And because jumping jacks involve controlled impact, they help stimulate bone growth and density, which is crucial for long-term skeletal health. Just a few rounds can leave you energized, refreshed, and feeling alive. Bench dips are excellent for strengthening and toning your triceps, an area that often loses firmness with age. They also engage your shoulders and chest, creating balanced upper body strength. This exercise improves muscular endurance, making daily activities feel easier and more natural. And with nothing more than a chair or bench, you can perform bench dips anytime, anywhere. Simple, effective, and incredibly powerful for confidence and strength. Jumping rope isn't just for kids. It's one of the best anti-aging exercises you can do. It improves coordination, agility, and cardiovascular health while strengthening your bones. Research shows that resistance and impact-based exercises help slow neuromuscular aging. Jumping rope also releases endorphins, boosting your mood, reducing stress, and sharpening mental focus. It's not just exercise for your body, it's fuel for your brain. The plank is the foundation of a strong, youthful body. It strengthens your core, stabilizes your spine, and activates nearly every muscle from head to toe. With consistent practice, planks improve posture, reduce back pain, enhance balance, and protect against injuries. They also promote mindfulness, helping you focus on your breathing and calm your mind. This one simple exercise supports strength, stability, and longevity like no other. Now it's your turn. Which of these exercises is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to watch our other videos for more simple, science-backed fitness tips. Stay strong, stay active, and keep feeling young.